Hi, my name is Marianne Rabb. I'm a recent Tuskegee graduate, class of 2019. I majored in animal and poultry science. We are here at Tuskegee University at the installation of the first 12 kilowatt solar array system on our campus. I've been talking about Tuskegee University and solar since my sophomore year at Tuskegee University. At the spring semester of my junior year, Dean Hill added me to the team of people who was assigned to help bring solar to Tuskegee University. The reason why I wanted to have solar power at the university was because our university spends $9 million a year on utilities, and a way to reduce the cost of utilities is to create your own electricity. So we are trying to bring renewable energies to the university so that we can save money on our utility costs. We can do research on different renewable energies and how efficient they are in the area, and we can save the university money and have more resources and funds to put back into the student body. Canes is working with the Carver Integrative Sustainability Center and Solar Up. Solar Up is a solar company that helps to bring solar power to rural communities. We are working with Solar Up today on day 2 of the project. The order of the project is going to be, for day 1, we took inventory and we just had to make sure that we had everything that we needed in order to get the solar array system up off the ground. On day 2, which is today, we are digging the holes for the ground mount system that will be used to hold the solar panels in place. Day 3, we will be mounting the actual solar panels. We have 2 different kinds of solar panels. One is monocrystalline and the other is polycrystalline. We will be comparing the power input of those 2 panel types. So on day 4, we will be having the wiring inspected and approved and putting the batteries and other sensitive equipment inside of the shed that we are building for the sensitive equipment to be protected from the elements. So after everything is all set up and we're able to get some power readings, we will be setting up the solar array system on the Wi-Fi. That way we will be able to access the information as far as the power that's being produced by the system and the different kinds of panels online, and we'll be able to analyze that information and look at our power inputs.